In this video, I'll show you how to find your memo on the Bitget Exchange app so your deposits arrive correctly. First, open the Bitget app and log in. Tap Assets at the bottom, then tap Deposit. Now choose the coin you're depositing, like XRP, XLM, Atom, or EOS. These coins often require a memo, tag, or destination tag. After you select the coin, Bitget will ask you to choose a network. Pick the correct network for that coin. On the next screen, Bitget will show two important fields: your deposit address and, if it's required, your memo/tag. The memo usually appears right under the address and may be labeled Memo, Tag, Payment ID, or Destination Tag. Tap Copy next to the memo to copy it. When you withdraw from another wallet or exchange, paste the address into the address field and paste the memo into the memo or tag field. If you forget the memo, your deposit can be delayed or even lost. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.